G'day fellow moto bloggers, Bandit Evan Ruby. On this Saturday afternoon, a nice cool Saturday afternoon, nice sky, good weather, what more do you want? We've had a bit of a, well, pretty warm start to spring. We've had a few days in the 30s, even up to 38 degrees Celsius. For this time of year is, well, should I say unusual. So we've had some sort of record in October for temperatures. Is this the prelude to a hot summer or what? From what I saw over in the USA, they hardly had a summer. So yeah, I hope it's not going to be too hot this summer, because it just keeps you off the bike. It's just too uncomfortable. Anything over 34 degrees Celsius and it's not comfortable. So I thought I'd go out for a ride today and do a vlog. I don't normally vlog on a Saturday, but I was watching a video from Phil480 where he's having trouble rendering something in one of his video editing programs. Well, I'm having a problem with the video editing program I use as well, and it's basically reared its ugly head since I've had the GP10 through the Sena and using the Bluetooth for the voice instead of cables everywhere. So I'm having a bit of a dilemma myself, where I'm getting noises over the soundtrack from my videos. I'll see if I can give you an example and just put it in. I'm not sure if I can or not, but I'll try. G'day fellow moto bloggers. Take two. Okay, whether it worked or not, I don't know. If it did, I'll put it in. If it didn't, I won't. And I think that bike was at the shop the other day, actually. That was a CF Moto 650 NK. Another one nodding. That's good. Yeah. So where was I? Yeah, I'm getting this popping sound over the voice track, and I'm using Corel Video Studio 7 Ultimate, and that is, well, I don't know whether it's doing something and causing it or what, I'm not sure, but if I render it in another program and put it into Video Studio once it's been rendered, it's not a problem. So that's what I've had to do. This is probably why I haven't been vlogging much. I've been sort of waiting for a response from Corel, but I'm not getting any response at all, which is a bit of a shame. But anyway, I do get around it in a roundabout way. So it's just a bit of a shame that you go and spend all this money and something always rears its ugly head to stop you in your tracks and confound and confuse you. But as they say, there's always more ways, there's always more ways to skin a cat. Yeah, that's it. There's always more ways to skin a cat. So yeah, I have to put it through something else and then put it through the Corel Video Studio 7 Ultimate, which I did a lot of research before I bought that one, and I found that one pretty easy to use, step by step. Most of them are. Some are a little bit more complicated and than that, and also it has a little thing where if you want to block out your speedo and you don't want to shift it all the time because your head moves or anything like that, it's got a little thing on it where it's where you can put on the speedo, and it follows the speedo whether the camera's moving or not, and it will stay on the speedo and blur it out. That's why I liked it in the first place. That's why I bought it, because it had that feature. I'm sure others might have that feature, but I found this one a lot easier to use. Also, there's a bit of YouTube training out there, which has helped a little bit as well, from a fellow called Grips, G-R-I-P-P-S. I can't remember the numbers offhand. I'll write it up on the screen if I can remember. He does a bit of tutoring via YouTube on the program. So yeah, just a couple of things I wanted to get off my chest. Ride safe, my fellow motor vloggers. Someone last night in my fair city unfortunately went down and was unfortunately killed on a bike. So take care. I noticed that one of the videos of Phil 480, someone had gone down and been rushed to the London hospital, that King's Cross, is it, or something, King's College, yeah, something like that. So yeah, so whatever you do, ride safe, fellow moto vloggers and fellow riders that watch. Can't stress that enough. Ride safe. Bandit Nev on Ruby on this lovely Saturday afternoon, bidding you well, safe riding of course, and cheers for now.